I have a Kenmore Elite washer showing the error code. Replace part switch assembly locker but still getting same error code duh. What else could it be?
Can you guesstimate how old your Kenmore is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
Model ###.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is. I look forward to helping you. Can you please post the rest of the model number? The model tag is around the opening where the clothes are loaded.
796.414732210.
Please allow me just a few minutes to prepare some information for you. Thank you.
No calls, please. Thanks. Just send info.
Sorry for the auto call offer, I have no control over those. The DE error means the control sees an issue with the door lock, which you know if you replace the door lock already. Did you inspect the wiring between the door lock you replaced and the control to make sure that it was not pinched or the connector loose at the control board? If the door lock is new and you are still seeing the door lock error code, it is a fault in the wiring or at the main control. I would start by inspecting the wiring very closely, resetting the connections at the control board. If error still displays, replace the main machine control. Please allow me just a few minutes to prepare some information for you. Thank you.
Also, please let me how to cancel the 1-week free trial. Please provide info how to log and cancel.
I will send your request in to cancel the subscription trial. The link below is to the part you will need. You may post back at any time with follow-up questions. Thank you so much.
Is this question at no extra charge?
I am not able to see anything account related, so the charges are whatever you signed up with at the beginning.
Need info for the washer control board you recommended, i.e. for the Kenmore Elite 796.414732210.
Sure. I sent the link to it above, but it is below now, too. The link below is to the part you will need. Click here.
Thanks.
You are very welcome, thank you. If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.